Dassah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Apple review. I'm super excited, you guys. I just got the new Apple tags, Apple AirTags. And you guys, I've been seeing this all over like TikTok. Sorry, I'm sick. And over YouTube, and I just had to get it. So here's the Apple AirTag. And the reason why I got it is I'm forever losing stuff. My keys. I'm also losing wallets, cards, just whatever. So I was like, you know what? I need to get this purchase. It is so inexpensive, you guys. It was only like 29 bucks. And the accessories I got were like $3 each. So you guys, it's a steal. I did get the accessories off of Amazon though. So if you guys are looking to get accessories for your Apple AirTag, don't go get it from the Apple store because they're overpriced in my opinion. So yeah, let me go ahead and open it. Super excited.
What do you get?
So here it is out of the package. Let's see. So it has the little booklet with information for the AirTag. Right here, all the info. Yeah. And then let's open. It says AirTag. Let's open it. And there she is right there. So we're gonna go ahead and take it out. The Apple AirTag right here, as you guys can see. I'm gonna go ahead and take the plastic off. Wow. And you guys, I did, oop, it just made a noise, and it is connected, so that's how the Apple AirTag looks. I did not get it engraved because I did get mine off Amazon. I do recommend getting it off Amazon better because there's less fees. You do have to pay an extra fee to get it engraved, and then their taxes like over, and I get discounts from Amazon. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get off Amazon and all the accessories off Amazon. But if you guys did want to get this engraved with your emoji of your choice, I saw people getting hearts here, the robot, cats, dogs, whatever, you guys can do that. But I didn't need to do all that. So yeah, I just set it up. I am filming with my iPhone 11, so I already did set it up. It's connected to my phone. I'm super excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the accessories I did get for the Apple AirTag. First, we're gonna start with these keychains. Super cute. I will leave the link below for everything, the Apple AirTag and all the accessories that I purchased. So if you guys are interested, you guys can go ahead and shop that. So let me open them. So I did get the 3-pack on Amazon. Super cute. So I got a cookie, chocolate chip cookie. I got a donut. And I got this little crab. So it was a 3-pack for like $3, you guys. And it does come with the keychain. So I'm gonna go ahead and set one up. I think my favorite is the donut, you guys. So let's go ahead and put this on. I just put the AirTag in here. So if you guys were to get it engraved, it would show the little emoji right here. I've seen people put it inside out where like the Apple tag is showing, but I don't want to bring attention to it, so I'm not going to put on the side where the Apple is. It just looks like a really cute keychain. Nobody would pay attention, so that's how the keychain's set up. The AirTag's in here. The next accessory I did get is a wristband. Now, I have heard of people using these on pets or using them for their kids or anything like that. I am planning a big trip coming up, and I was like, you know what? Why not get one for my daughter? So I did get the wristband right here. Super cute little wristband. You go ahead and put the Apple AirTag in here, and you know, kid trafficking is a thing, especially them snatching kids and all that kind of stuff. So I did want to get something like this for my daughter when we go on big trips. Now, she will not be wearing this all the time. This is only on like vacation time or anything, so I can know where she is at all times. And I was debating on getting one for my son, but he doesn't go off, or he doesn't, like, he's with us. If he's not with us, like physically, he's in the stroller. So she's more independent. So I was like, you know what, just in case I got that. As I said before, I will link all these little cute accessories in the description box. So far, I'm liking it. I set it up already on my phone. It was super quick, super easy. I definitely recommend this to put this on your purse or wallet. If you're losing your purse all the time, losing your keys, I definitely recommend that Apple AirTag. So I did put the AirTag in the wristband so you guys can see how it looks on this. Now we're going to play a little game. We're going to do a hide and seek. My daughter right here, Nevaeh, is going to wear it and she's going to go hide, and I'm going to see if I can find her. So we're going to give this AirTag a little test. So here, give me your wrist. Let me put it on. Let's see. How's it fit? Good. Good. Okay, so you guys, here it is on the wrist. So she's gonna go hide, and let's see if you can find her. I'll be back. I was able to find her, you guys. The Apple AirTag definitely works. I definitely recommend you guys. So as always, everything, all the info will be in the description box. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.